Are there any specific industries or sectors in the U.S. economy experiencing notable hiring or notable job growth right now that you're seeing?
Well, over the past 6 months, just three major sectors have been responsible for 92% of all the jobs added in the US economy. Those are healthcare, the government, and leisure and hospitality. Healthcare is just steady and stable. It's pretty recession proof, and it is the sector expected to add the most jobs over the next 10 years due to demographic change, an aging population, and increased need and demand for healthcare services. The government is playing catch up. Public sector hiring took much longer to recover from the pandemic than private sector hiring, partly because the public sector is just slower when it comes to raising wages and adjusting. We are seeing that adjustment now, and so finally, as the private sector pulls back and cools down, the public sector is becoming more competitive and is having an easier time recruiting and retaining workers. And then leisure and hospitality,
I
Americans
wonder.
like going out to restaurants and traveling.
Hey, listen, we love the experience economy. We have seen time and time
Yeah,
again the U.S. consumer is willing to spend on those things, whatever concert or
absolutely.
trip to Europe or whatever it is that we want. I wonder what else are you seeing in the data at ZipRecruiter in terms of job openings? Are there any trends or anything you've seen that might even be a bit of a surprise, I wonder?
Yeah, we're actually seeing a little bit of an uptick in tech job openings, and I think that's very encouraging after a year which could quite accurately be described as a tech session, in which the whole information sector shed jobs and was very slow to hire. So that does appear to be changing now, and partly that's because the stock market has had a pretty good year in 2023.